Hey crypto fans, want to trade Empower on Bitget? Today, I'll show you how to connect Empower to Bitget and start trading. Let's dive in. First, download the Bitget app from the App Store or Google Play, or just visit the website. Open it, hit sign up, and create an account with your email or phone number. Complete the quick identity verification to unlock trading. Next, download the Bitget Wallet app, your key to managing Empower. Set it up by creating a new wallet and securely backing up your recovery phrase. This wallet supports MPWR for on-chain transactions. Now, link your Bitget wallet to the exchange. In the Bitget Wallet app, tap the menu, select Bind Bitget Exchange Account, and verify it with facial or fingerprint ID. Open the Bitget Exchange app, confirm the binding, and now you're connected. To trade, transfer MPWR to your Bitget wallet. In the wallet, tap Receive, copy your MPWR address, and send MPWR from another account. Once it arrives, use Bitget Spot Market to buy or sell MPWR. That's it, guys. You're ready to trade Empower on Bitget. Sign up, bind your wallet, and start trading. Happy trading, by the way.